Hello, teacher and partners. My name is Karen Matamoros, and today I'm going to use my interactive brain to explain the main areas involved in language processing. I will show the hemispheres, the brain lobes, the language areas, and then the basic processes on comprehension and production. Here we have the left hemisphere, which is dominant for language. It helps us organize grammar, structure sentences, and produce speech. And on the other side, here we have the right hemisphere, which supports intonation, emotion, and context. Both hemispheres work together every time we communicate. This pink area in the front is the frontal lobe. It is related to planning and voluntary movement. Inside this lobe, we find Broca's area, which is essential for speech production. Right next to it, it is lighter pink. Brown is the motor cortex. It controls voluntary movements like moving the mouth, lips, and tongue when we speak. Below the motor cortex, this is the ground bat, is the sensory cortex. It receives touch and body sensation, which help the brain connect language with perception. The light blue area is the prior lobe. It integrates sensory information and helps us understand spatial relationships. It also plays a role when we relate written words to objects or concepts. Now, this yellow region is the temporal lobe. Here we find Wernicke's area, which is responsible for language comprehension. And here you can also see the level speech. Okay, you can see here, because this lobe processes the sounds of spoken language. Finally, purple area, okay, here, this purple area at the back is the occipital lobe. It processes visual information and becomes active when we read or interpret written language. Language comprehension begins in the temporal lobe, when the auditory cortex receives sounds. Then, Wernicke's area interprets the sounds, identifies words, and builds meaning. Okay? The left hemisphere focuses on structure, while the right hemisphere helps us understand tone and intentions. For production, Broca's area prepares the message and organizes the grammar. Then the motor cortex activates the muscles of the mouth, lips, and tongue so we can speak. As we speak, we listen to ourselves and adjust our pronunciation in real time. So, in conclusion, language processing depends on the coordination of the hemispheres, the lobes, and the main language areas. Together, they allow us to understand messages and produce speech clearly. Thank you.